Hello folks, first of all, thanks to this wonderful Rapyd community for organizing this hackathon event. My name is Amit Shukla. I'm an open source community developer and I'm here to present my project B2BC, business to business, business to customer, Smart Ads, Smart Invoices payment solution using Rapyd Checkout Toolkit. This solution is for B2B and B2C. This solution allows you to manage all of your ads and change those dynamically from the one central repository. Also, it uses Rapyd Checkout for the payment solution, so that you don't have to worry about or hassle with the different payment systems. In this system, user will be able to create dynamic ad and dynamic invoices, and later he can add those invoices into their own code using REST API, embed, or directly accessing the Firebase database. And again, just to call this out, user will not have to deal with the pop-up monster or change the browser window to use that. Let me show you a demo here. Here you can see I have Flutter, which works on iOS, Android, or any mobile or desktop application. Here, all you need to do, change the URL to one place. Later, I'll show you, you can also use the embed version of the code. Or you can directly go to the database, get the URL, and directly use that URL inside your application. Let's go back to our Flutter app. Here, I'm going to put a user ID and password, sign in. Go to the settings. Here, I'm going to browse to a page. Here, pretend that this page has a dynamic ad or a dynamic invoice. Now, what you can do, you can fill out your details. So, for example, I'm making a purchase with my name. Fill in your address here. And next step, it will take you to your Rapyd Checkout Toolkit. Let me put my account number here. Payment purpose. Again, this is a sandbox demo version. Okay, and here I'm paying $1990. That this embedded version of the code, you will be able to embed it in any version, any iOS, Android, or any web app. Okay, all right. As a bonus, you will also receive an email. As you can see, this email here you'll get how much money you have paid and some tax advice. It's an optional, but again, I'm just going to include that in my code as well. All right, let's jump out of the solution now. Head out to B2B Rapyd.web.app. I've hosted this application into Firebase hosting. Here, as you can see, you can log in through Google or you can log in through an email. So here I'm going to use my email here. See, I have put some smart form validation, which doesn't allow you to put bad password here. Let me log in, and here it will take you to the dashboard page. You will see two different tabs, B2C and B2B. At the top right, you will see a couple of icons, which lets you quickly log on or log off. And I've also included a help. Now this help changes depending on which page you are. Now let's go to the ads. And here, as you can see, you can search your advertisement by ad ID or maybe some description. And you can also see some recent results. There's a nice pagination out there. And here, let me add a new ad here. So item 21 or 22, whatever, let's put some description, give it a price. One thing you will notice as soon as you save this, this is the item details this is the item detail for the ad you are selling. Okay, once you have this item 22, let's go search for it. Item 22 is right there. And here you will be able to add, as you can see, let's see this second. As you can see, the automatically checkout ID has been created. And you will also some access key and secret key. Right now, this is a demo version, but later on, you'll be able to update your access key and you don't have to deal with the checkout or Rapyd API. Everything is done in the background for you. And let me upload an image here. Now, this is the image. This is your advertisement image. You can, let me just quickly verify. Okay. That's it. That's all it takes. Now, all you need to do, okay, this ad is ready. Let me quickly browse through it, what it's going to look like in the end client system, right? If you click on this, see that all the step navigation, everything has been built in for you, right? You don't need to do any of those things. All you need to do, you manage all the invoices from this page and automatically it will show up in your customer or in your website, Flutter, iOS, or any mobile application you're working on. All right, let me show you one last feature here. Okay, see that there's a little icon here, embed icon. So once you click on this, open a notebook, this generate automatically, just like in the YouTube, it generates an iframe code for you, and you will be able to just copy paste this code and put it inside your web app. All right, let me show you one last thing, revenue register. So whatever transaction has been done, you'll be able to see all those transactions right here. And this revenue register, what I'm showing, it also shows you ads as well as the invoices. Let me show you the database side of it. You'll be able to later differentiate what is your advertisement, what is your invoices, depending on the ID and the checkout ID. Again, this is a dynamic form. You'll be able to change it later as per your business requirement. At last, I want to thank you for your time watching this video, and please follow me at GitHub or YouTube. Thank you very much.